finished that fishy mud yet?
Yeah. This fishy mud will sort out our dry skin from that salty sea air.
Oh, it's smelly, but it'll be worth it. It's smelly, but it'll be worth it.
Lovely skin. Here we go. It feels like this fishy mud is hardening. It's hard to move my mouth. Are you sure you followed the mermaid recipe exactly? Just mud, seaweed and fishy oil. That's all. Nothing else.
We might have added a few other things.
What things?
I don't know, it all happened so fast.
Tell me what things!
Oh no, everything's hardening up.
Me too. Soon we'll be stuck in this fishy mud forever. Oh! What do we do?
Okay, we need to wash it off before it hardens completely.
With what?
Stop!
Oh,
Quick!
oh,
Not a second to
oh,
do! Do what I do!
Help!
Thank goodness for that.
Help!
Can anyone else hear a duck?
Help!
Oh, it's the captain! We'll save you!
My face feels fantastic!
Mine too.
But how do I look?
Never better.